Today we are going to fix this boring welcome slide in Microsoft PowerPoint presentation, and we will make it very creative. So to be an expert, watch the video till the end. Let's begin the topic. Here I have already taken a blank slide. Go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a rectangle shape and drag it over here and make sure it covers the whole slide. Go to Shape Outline and make it no outline. Go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a text box and drag it over here and write here welcome. Let me write here welcome, select it and change the font size to 160 and change the font to the bold font and select it and make it center and place it like this. Now let me select it, press Ctrl D to duplicate and change the font size to 40. Let me write here to our presentation, place it over here, select it, go to the font spacing, go to more spacing and write here 15 and click on OK and place it like this. Now let me select this rectangle, hold down the Ctrl key and select this text box and this one. Go to shape format, go to merge shape and click on combine. Now I have to insert a video. Go to insert, go to video, click on stock videos. Let me select this beautiful video, click on insert, click on the video, go to playback, make it automatically and loop until stopped and click on right button and send it to back. Now select the shape, go to shape format, go to shape fill, make it white fill color. Go to shape effect, go to shadow and click on offset center and let me watch the slideshow. And here you will see this is looking very creative. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. And if you are very lazy to make this presentation, just check the description for the download link.